Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today I'm gonna make you guys some blackberry and pineapple juice. So these are all the ingredients that you need. So here I have some ginger and I have a lime. So these are the blackberries and these are the pineapple. And you're also gonna need your sugar, guys. So I'm just gonna use the granulated sugar to sweeten mine, but you can sweeten yours whichever you want, but this is the one that I'll be using. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna put all my fruits in my blender, and the ginger as well. So here I have, guys, 1 bottle of water. I'm not gonna use all of it because I'm not gonna do a lot of juice. So what I'm just gonna use half of this bottle of water that I have here. So I'm just gonna pour my water. Hi guys, so my juice has finished blend. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my strainer and just strain it. So that's my strainer there. This can take a lot of patience, but I don't really mind because I'm not doing a lot. I can smell that ginger, guys. Smells so nice and so lovely. It's my first time making this juice, and I know definitely I'm gonna enjoy it. Actually, guys, I see someone on my Instagram with this juice, and I was like to myself, I have to make that juice because it looks so refreshing. So shout out to you, Maisha, if you're watching this video. You really inspire me to make this juice, so thank you. So alright guys, so this is how it looks so far. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna strain it like 2 times because I want it to be smooth, but this is how it look. So I'm just gonna strain it again, guys. So I'm just gonna pour it in. So you see it running all smooth, and this is exactly how I want it. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna sweeten my juice. So I'm just gonna put my lime in the strainer. So I finished straining it, guys, and I put all the lime in there. So this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna sweeten it, guys. I'll just taste along. Alright guys, so I finished sweetening it. So I'm just gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Wow, that tastes so amazing, guys. This just needs some ice. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it look in the glass. Alright guys, so this is how my juice look in the glass, and I'm telling you guys, it tastes so nice. Please try this recipe, guys. It's so delicious. I mean, look at this, look at the ice, look at the blackberries. Guys, you have to try this. Thank you all so much to watch this video. Please like and subscribe for many other videos. Goodbye.